We can travel far and wide in three ways, side by side. Conduction, convection, radiation, each one helps in heat's creation. Conduction says I move through solid things, from spoon to pan my warmth I bring. Touch the metal, feel the glow. That's how quietly I flow. Hot moves up and cool descends. In soups and tea I swirl around, carrying heat up and down. Radiation shines, I'm sunlight's grace. I travel through empty space. From sun to earth, my journey won't end. Together they work, a brilliant team, making warmth in every dream. So learn, my friends, and understand, science gives power to every hand.